The AI agent you use to catch malicious code can be turned into the thing that runs it. It's called Friendly Fire, disclosed by the AI Now Institute on July 8. It targets Claude Code CLI and OpenAI's Codex CLI, specifically when they're running in auto mode or auto review to defensively assess a repository you don't control. Here's the mechanism. The injection doesn't need a hook, a skill, a plugin, or an MCP server. It lives in an ordinary file almost every repository has, README.md. Researchers modified a copy of geopy, a popular Python geocoding library. They added a script called security.sh that name-drops real tools, semgrep, black, mypy, so it reads like a normal linting step. But the script actually launches a separate binary named code_policies, the real payload. A decoy Go source file, code_policies.go, sits next to it, so the binary looks like something that was legitimately compiled, not planted. The agent reads the README, treats the injected instructions as part of its assigned task, and runs the script during what looks like a routine security review. Researchers say the attack transfers across model versions without changes. Claude Sonnet 4.6, Sonnet 5, Opus 4.8, and GPT 5.5 through Codex, all affected the same way. And this isn't a bug you patch. The models still can't reliably tell the code they're reading from the instructions they're meant to follow. That's a design-level weakness, not a specific version. The researcher's own guidance is blunt: don't point an AI agent at untrusted data if that agent can execute arbitrary code or reach security-critical systems. No vendor fix exists yet. If you're running Claude Code or Codex against a repo you didn't write, this is worth knowing before your next session, not after. Documented, sourced, not hyped, that's what this channel covers. New breakdown twice a week.